Holstein cattle are unloaded carefully. Workers guide the cattle inside. The cattle move toward inspection. Advanced systems scan each animal. Automated gates control movement. Each animal is digitally identified. Laser scanners map the animal. Robotic systems capture detailed data. Specialized scanners analyze the hide. Optical systems measure surface detail. Conveyors move cattle through scanners. Smart gates verify every entry. Operators monitor every stage. The cattle move deeper inside.
We have the 2 feet right in front of us.
Workers supervise the intake path. The platform allows full inspection. Robots begin sorting the hides.
Conveyors transport livestock forward.
Robots lift the raw hides. Robots sort hides on conveyors. Multiple robots stack the hides. Suction robots lift flexible hides. Robots reposition the raw skins. The hides enter the tumbling drum. Blue scanners inspect the hides. Powerful sprays wash the hides. Steam softens the leather fibers. Sprays and brushes clean the hide. Rotating brushes scrub the hides. High-pressure water rinses the hides. Rollers compress the leather. Pressing rollers flatten the hides. Laser grids scan the leather. Lasers prepare the leather surface. Workers verify leather quality. The hide enters the tanning drum. Giant drums tan the leather. Chemical baths begin tanning.
Drums tumble hides in solution.
Operators track the tanning process. Steam vats seal the tanning stage. Tanned hides exit the drum. Workers inspect the tanned leather. A line of sprayers coats the leather. Multiple nozzles coat the hide. Rollers apply the dye. Systems verify color consistency. Infrared heat dries the leather.
The leather exits the dryer.
Fans cool the finished leather.
Steam rollers refine the leather. Dry milling softens the leather. Workers smooth and inspect the leather. Lasers project cutting patterns. Leather enters the CNC cutter. Precision lasers cut the leather.
Jacket parts are cut precisely.
Robots organize the cut pieces. Workers prepare pieces for sewing. Sewing lines assemble the jackets. Heavy seams are stitched. Cobots assist with precise sewing. Workers refine pockets and collars.
Zippers are sewn into place.
Finished jackets undergo inspection. Finished jackets move to final check. AI cameras perform final inspection. Jackets are folded and boxed. Finished jackets ship worldwide.